All right, everybody. Before I even get started, I'd like to apologize for my rant yesterday in my post-market wrap-up. What was the title? Beyond the Realm of Stupid. Sometimes the insanity of the environment we are in kind of gets under my skin. And when you hear things come out of the mouths of the Confederacy of Dunces, all of them collectively, it's hard, it's incredible. Look, I'm getting tongue twisted. It's almost too much for me that people buy into this. They believe it. They're just led along on a pathway that's going to lead them to a pile of dog blank. I'm not even going to say the word, dog. Shh. Okay, you know what I'm talking about. So let's talk about more of that, because it's so obvious, it's so absolutely in our face, and people are walking around like things that I addressed yesterday. Unfortunately, the middle class here in the United States have become zombies. And it's kind of a funny twist. All these zombie shows that are coming out, that are out. I mean, they're making fun of people. It's really the truth. And that's what's going on. And I want to talk about that. So I guess we'll start off with the basics. As I am doing this video blog, stocks are flat. The S&P 500 is up fractionally. The NASDAQ is up fractionally. Cryptocurrencies are getting hit again. Gold and silver are down. Silver specifically is getting hit pretty hard. Bonds are getting bought up. I really want to talk about that. Pushing the 10-year yield even lower. And the dollar is gaining some strength here. It's, in my opinion, we're witnessing a perfect setup. I want to talk about that too. Let's start off with this. So if you were to look at the 10-year yield right now, it's 3.008. Understand, people, the Trump-Powell put under this market right now is devastating the middle class. Why? Because their interest earning accounts are getting slaughtered. You have a savings account? Well, you're getting killed because of the Trump-Powell put. And people, again, are walking around like zombies. They have no idea what's going on. And that's why it's done. People don't open their mouths anymore. They don't say, hold on a second. What happened to earning a real rate of return on my interest earning accounts? No, that doesn't matter anymore. And this is part of the perfect setup that's going on. So, again, and I tweeted this out this morning, like a big congratulations to the middle class because you're getting decimated by the Trump-Powell put. And it's a setup. The setup is very simple. Stage one was the good cop, bad cop, Trump being the good cop, Powell being the bad cop. It was a charade to get what they both wanted, both President Trump and Powell. President Trump wanted the Federal Reserve to keep rates suppressed from here into eternity, and the Federal Reserve wants to keep issuing their product, debt. They're going to be printing cash out of thin air, adding it to a digital screen into oblivion. We might as well call this a new round of quantitative easing, in my opinion, because that's what they're going to be doing. The Fed cannot just say for the millionth time that they're going to keep rates low. They have to get into the market and make it happen. They have to take this newly created cash and buy debt. Sounds like quantitative easing, doesn't it? Well, that's exactly what it is. But it's being hidden under all the nonsense that people just can't understand. Now, here's, again, the second part of the setup. So the first part was for President Trump and Fed Chair Powell to kind of, play those roles, good cop, bad cop, and get what they both wanted. They both won. Congratulations to both of them. Here's the next phase. So this is a setup. Keeping rates suppressed opens a doorway for cash to flow into the stock market, unless I am very wrong. And I don't think I am. The next stage is simple, and it's already They're already talking about it on a lot of the mainstream COD channels. Some type of deal is going to be made here between China and the United States with regard to trade. Stocks will go higher. Okay, so who will benefit here? Again, it's the rich, it's the corporations. They're going to watch their stocks go higher and higher, while the middle class gets thrown crumbs. Not even crumbs. Actually, they're taking crumbs away because the 10-year yield is going to be, bonds yields are going to be suppressed from here to eternity. And interest earning accounts are going to get fleeced, which means the middle class is going to get fleeced. What a perfect setup. I mean, seriously, stage one already took place. We're waiting for stage two. And I think the chances of this happening are almost 100%. That some type of an agreement is going to be reached between, I was going to say something bad, the communist leader of China and President Trump, and the market's going to go wild. Again, what a perfect setup here. And they know exactly how to play this on the people. You know, it all comes down to divide and conquer, keep them divided. All this political nonsense, the two-party system. These people hate these people despise these people. You know, it's a distraction. If you can't see through this, then you are totally blind. And there are many that are. It's very sad. But I know that's not you. Follow this blog. You get it. You know, we also heard today from New York Fed President John Williams. He's right on board with this too. That should tell you something with regard to keeping rates suppressed. So now we have the New York Fed President saying, oh, absolutely, Powell's right. We need to keep rates, low right now for as far as the eye can see. Don't you understand that you see? I know you see it. It's just, like I said, even if you tried, you could not make this stuff up. But it's reality. All right, look, let's see how this plays out. And over the next week, this is going to be over this whole weekend. We get this big meeting now. Going to be epic. I can't wait to talk about it. I'll see you all at the end of the day.